In our last class, we discussed first year rule, and then second year, if it is exactly 12 months, what we were doing, we were just copy and paste. We were applying copy paste rule, right or wrong?
Right.
Now we are going to learn some more rules, which are rule number 2, then rule number 3, and then rule number 4 in the second year, because in first year we have only one rule, which is date of commencement to very first 5th April. But in second year we have 4 rules: rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, and rule 4. Rule 1 we already learned. Now here we are going to learn rule number 2. But before moving forward, I would like you to just tell me the first year answer. What will be the first year answer for this particular question? First year, not second year, only first year.
For the question.
Yeah. So I will make our format, which was tax year, then basis period, then we have working, and at last we have amount, which is also known as assessable profit. Okay. So what will be the first year, please?
First year is 19 to 2020.
Okay. How you make it? Can you tell me?
Because he started trading on 1st May 2019.
Okay. So,
Period ends at 30th June 2020.
so date of commencement till very first 5th April, which will be in 2020, right or wrong?
Right.
So the tax year will be 20 ending, so 19 will be starting. Amount, how to get the amount? We have the first amount, which is 28,000. This 28,000 is for how many months?
11 months. I mean, 28,000 is for 12 months.
No, that is the trick in this question. This is written period end. Always remember, year end is for 12 months. If it is written period end, it means it might be greater than or less than 12 months. It will never be exactly 12 months. Year end will always be 12 months, but the period end will vary, will never be 12 months. Here it's written period end. You can see 1st April till 30th June, he make his accounts and yani year end, accounting period end on 30th June. And he start the business on 1st of May. How many months? Can you count it on your fingers? You will know how many months are there. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are 9 months, and then June plus 6. 9 plus 6, how much? 14. Can you check again?
Is it 15 months?
Sorry?
Is it 15 months?
14 months. Check again. See, May, June. 2 months, and then till next 12 months. 2 plus 12, 14. You got 14? Hello?
So we're going to take May and June as 2 months. And then from July
July till June.
to
2 months. May, June. 2, May, June, July, August, September. October, November, December, January, February. These are 10. February till February 10. March, April, May, June. 10 plus 4, 14. You can count them on your fingers. You will get your answer. Hello.
Yeah, got it.
Got it? Okay. Out of this 14, this period which you made for the first year is how many months?
Still
Try.
11 months.
How many? Sorry.
11.
You are right. 11 months. So what is the answer? I guess 22,000. So in this question, what we learned that there might be period and situation, which means it's more or less than 12 months. So we have to consider it. Otherwise, our answer will be disturbed. Our answer will be wrong. Got it?
Got it.
Second year, you remember what was how I was doing? I was selecting the date, which is the first one. This is here in this situation is 30th June 2020. And I am asking that is it fall in second tax year? That was I was asking in our last class. My second tax year is 2021. In this question, the second year is 2021. What is your answer? Yes or no? Is 30th June, this particular date, falls in 2021 year end or no? Sorry?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. Okay. So the answer is yes. Then what we learned? That if it is exactly year end, rule 1 applies.
Then we apply the same thing.
Rule 1 was copy paste, right or wrong?
Yes.
But is it in this question of the question name Arthur? In Arthur case, is it exactly 12 months or no?
No, it's 14 months.
It's greater than 12 months. So rule 1 will not apply. Rule 1 is not applicable. The next rule, which we are going to learn right now, is rule number 2, which applies when your end is more than 12 months. Yani it's a period end for 12 months. So what I will do, what is the rule for this one? The rule is you make period end to year end. How to do it? I will tell you. Just remember that. It will go from your head, I know, but relax. Just remember the rule 2 is convert your period end into year end. How to do it? Just look at it. Look the screen very carefully. What I will do. What is my date? What is my ending date? This is my ending date,
30th. Yes.
right? What I will do, I will just write this. This is my rule number 2. Convert your period end into year end means period end को year end बना दो, यानी make your period end, convert your period end into exact 12 months. This is rule number 2. Yani you have 14 months. Yes, you does. You have 14 months. But rule 2 says, I don't care. I don't care what you have. My problem is you must have 12 months. Rule 2 means you must have 12 months. So out of 14, I must have 12 months. So this is my rule number 2. Rule 2 applies when Rule 2 applies when your and is for more than 12 months. Then what supposed to do? What we are going to do? Converting your period end into year end means make it exactly 12 months. Either it's 15 months, you will make it 12 months. Either it's 16 months, you will make it 12 months. Either they are 13, 14, whatever, greater than 12, no, whatever they are, you must restrict them to 12 months. That is rule number 2. Any questions, please?
No questions.
Sorry?
There is a doubt, but I guess if we do more questions, it might be
Yeah,
clear.
we will do more questions. Yes. Till here is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. At the very beginning, what we stated we have first year. First year. First year means start of the business. Then we have the second year, means the second year of trade. Then we have ongoing. Ongoing means life of a business, right? First year done, second year done. After 2021, which tax year will come?
22.
Okay, just look at the question. Do you have any more data available? Green highlighted.
Yes.
The third year will always be known as ongoing because it's my life now. First year, this is my first year. This is my second year. Now, after second year, it's ongoing. Ongoing is very easy. Ongoing is copy paste, same like rule 1. Ongoing is copy paste. How to copy paste? Can you check this first and which is 30th June is covered? Is here? Is done? Is it covered? Is it done in second year? Right or wrong? Hello?
30th June 2020 is covered.
So what I supposed to take in my ongoing, which will be how, which one? 30th June 2020 again or 21?
21.
21. Very good. Yani, ongoing means you just continue your working. You just continue your question. First year is done. Now, whatever next, you just put it. Whatever next, you just put it. Whatever next, you just put it. This is known as ongoing. This is known as ongoing. So that's it for rule number 2 and ongoing. Rule number 2 and ongoing is done. We will do more questions, but first you copy it. Okay, then we will move forward. Next question is question number 6, Alias, from our handout. Okay, so as our format is, we are using it tax year, basis, period, working, and assessable profit at last. So the first year will be when we started the business, 1st October 18 till very first 5th April, which will fall in 19, right or wrong?
Right.
We have profit of 13,000. This is for how many months? October till December. How many months they are? Means 1st October 18 till 31st December 19. How many months they are? Is this 15 months, right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. So divided by 15 and your period which we made October till 5th April means October till March. How many months are they? October, November, December, January, February, March. 6. Tax year will be ending is 19. So 19 here, 18 will be here. The amount will be, assessable profit will be 12,000. Is it right? Any confusion, please? Ask. Okay. After 1819, the second year is 1920. As we know that this is 15 months. So rule 1 Rule 2, Rule 1 is not applicable. Why? Because Rule 1 will only apply if it is a year-end case. But here it is greater than 12 months. If it is more than 12 months, Rule 2 will apply. And Rule 2 means convert period end into year end. Just we learned in question number 7, Arthur question as well. How to do that? What we are doing? Just we will write the ending date, which is this 31st December 19, and at the beginning what we are writing? Year end. Simple, we convert it period end into exactly 12 months, means this 30,000 is for 15 months, but as per rule 2 we are only taking 12 months of it. So what is the answer coming? How much? Hello?
24,000.
24,000. Got it? Any confusion, please ask.
I actually wrote the amount wrong.
Huh? Sorry?
I wrote the amount wrong.
Okay. Then 2021, the third year will be my ongoing year, right or wrong? 19 is done, finished, completed. So which year you are going to take?
2021.
2020. What's the amount? Copy paste.
Copy paste 40,000.
36,000. 20, no? After this 2021, we have 21-22. Until business will continue, until we have the business, this ongoing will continue. 20 is done. Now the next year will be 31st. Any sequence. See, here is 19. Then if I change the color, it will be visible. Here was 19, then 20. Now which one will come? 21. And the amount is given how much, and there is no working in ongoing. What is given, we just paste it. Khalas. That's it. Rule number first year, second year with rule number 2, then ongoing, and the question completed. Any questions, please? The question asked you overlap profit. In our last class, when we just started and we learned you can check in the last video as well, how to calculate overlap profit. I told you just add up the profit, actual profits, which are given in the question. Can you tell me the total of these actual profits? 30,000 plus 36,000 plus 40,000. How much?
106,000.
Sorry?
106.
106,000. I use blue color for that. Now, can you tell me the total of orange color? Total of the profits taken in basis period, which are 12,000, 24,000, 36,000, and 40,000. I just make a circle with orange color. Can you tell me the total?
112.
112,000.
112,000.
112,000. Okay. This circle no need to make in the paper. Only I just make it for your understanding. Now, can you take the difference and let me know that what is the overlap profit?
6,000.
6,000. You are absolutely correct. So that's it. You can say rule number 2 of basis period. Any questions? Please ask me.